Nice to see you again. Let's start doodling. Today we're going to draw an axolotl. Let's doodle! Okay, let's start right here in the middle of the page, and we're going to start by drawing the axolotl's head, and it's a big oval shape right here in the middle, but we're not going to close off that circle or oval shape. We're going to leave an opening right about here, and we're going to go up and around, okay? So here we go. Take your time. Remember, you can always pause the video if you need more time to catch up. This is a big oval shape. Now back down around like this. Like that. Okay, now let's draw the eyes and the mouth. So we'll start over here. Actually, let's start with the mouth right in the middle. We're going to do a big smiley mouth here, a big U shape. Like that. And now let's draw an eye over here. This is going to be a circle like this all the way around. And we'll do another circle, slight oval over here. And now let's draw the highlight inside. That's a smaller circle inside of the bigger circle. Here, one over here as well, on both eyes, like that. And let's color them in black. Okay, now let's draw the fins off the side of the axolotl's head. We're going to do 3 fins on both sides of the head. So starting up here, we'll do the fins on this side first. So starting here, we're going to go up and we're going to do some loopy lines down, kind of like to give the edge of the fin. So we're going to go up here and come around, and then little loop lines like this all the way around and back down to the head. And let's do another one starting here. A fin comes out, it loops around. We do little loopy lines along like this. And then one more down here for the third one on this side. Like that. Now inside of those 3 fins, let's do some extra fin lines. So just some little loopy lines like this inside on either side for each fin. Like that. And now let's do the fins on this side of the head over here. So we're going to go up and around like this. So starting right here, we're going to do a line up like this, and then some loopy lines down like that. And let's do this fin here. And now this final fin here. And now let's do those inside fin lines. That. And like that. Okay, now let's do the body of it. So starting right here at the bottom of the head, we're going to do a big curved line down like this. Ready? Here we go. And we stop right about there. And now on this side of the head, let's do a curved line down like this. Ready? Here we go. Like that. And we're going to continue that line and do 3 little loopy lines for the foot. Down, and then in, and around. And let's do a curved line here, kind of like a C shape for the top of the leg, back leg here, like that. And now let's do the other back leg over here with a curved sort of C-shaped line down like this. We stop right about there, and let's draw the toes, this, and then back and connect it to the body like that. Okay, now let's do the 2 arms. So starting over here, let's do this side arm here. So this is just a line down like that, and then we do the fingers off of that. Like that. And now let's do an arm inside of the body shape here. So a line down like that, and then little loopy lines like that. Okay, now let's do the tail. The tail is a big curved line on the back, coming off the back right about here. We're going to do a curved line that starts there and it goes up and over and then back down to the body. Like that. And then inside that, let's do a tail line in the middle that helps define the shape a little bit. Like that. Okay, let's make this axolotl underwater. So we're going to add some bubbles. So we'll do a small bubble here and a bubble here. Maybe a bubble up here. Bubble up here. And maybe one last bubble over here. I love how this drawing is coming together. Let's color it in. So grab your markers, colored pencils or crayons, and let's do it. I'm gonna make mine pink, but you can make yours any color you want. I'm going to make the inside of the fins more of a purple color, like a light violet almost. Let's make the bubbles blue. Don't forget to sign your doodle. Wow! Keep drawing and have fun. Remember, there are no mistakes, only doodles. Bye! Ask your parents to like and subscribe for a new doodle every day.